In 2026, working hard is not the problem. The problem is you work hard and your money does nothing for you. It just leaves. Rent leaves, bills leave, food leaves. And you're left asking, so when do I win? Today on Wealth Empire TV, I'm breaking down 10 proven ways to make money work for you in 2026. Real wealth building moves that can lead to financial freedom. And yes, passive income that doesn't require you to scam your friends or dance on the internet. Before we start, hit subscribe if you want practical money plays that actually work in real life. And press like so YouTube shows this to someone who needs to stop surviving and start building. Now, most videos start with the same old advice. Not today. I'm starting with the one move almost nobody makes, because it's not sexy, but it's powerful. Passive income means I don't do anything and money just appears, right?
If that's true, why are you still borrowing $20 from me?
Perfect. Both of you, stay right here. You're about to represent the internet.
Emergency Fund 2.0. Make your safety net pay you. Emergency Fund 2.0 equals safety plus yield. Grow your savings like a treasury ladder while money flows securely into your fund.
Let's talk about the most ignored wealth move in investing 2026. Your just-in-case money should not be sleeping. If you have an emergency fund, that's great. But in 2026, smart people turn that emergency fund into a paid employee by parking it where it can earn safe interest like high-yield cash options, money market funds, or short-term government-backed options depending on your country and access. This isn't gambling, this is cash management. It's not get rich quick, it's stop losing silently. So I can get passive income from money I already have? Exactly. That's how you make money work for you without changing your whole life. Quick reality check. This won't buy you a Lamborghini, but it can cover a bill, then another bill. That's how wealth building starts, one bill at a time. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a system problem. In 2026, the cheat code is automation. Set your money to move the moment you get paid, before you can accidentally spend it. Create a simple system. Bucket 1 for bills, bucket 2 for investing, even small, and bucket 3 for spending.
So the goal is to remove emotions?
Yes. If your plan depends on motivation, it's not a plan. Automation is the quiet engine of financial freedom. If you want, comment system, and I'll pin a simple budget plus automation template idea under this video. Before you chase side hustles, capture the money you're already being offered. Depending on your job and country, employer matches, training stipends, health savings benefits, stock programs, commuter benefits. These are often instant ROI moves. I thought investing 2026 is about stocks and crypto. No, investing 2026 is about returns. A match is often one of the highest returns you'll ever get. Let's correct a big lie. Passive income means I never work. No. Passive income is usually built by active setup. And the highest return investment for many people is increasing earning power, then investing the difference. Pick one high-income skill lane in 2026. Analytics, automation tools, UX/UI, cybersecurity, project management, trade skills, content and editing, serious skills, not vibes. Then do this. Every time your income is raised, take it as an opportunity to automatically increase your investment.
That is wealth building without lifestyle inflation.
Exactly. That's how you make money work for you long term. If this video is already giving you real moves, hit like. It takes 1 second and it tells YouTube, push Wealth Empire TV to more people who need financial freedom. Here's the part everyone mentions, but I'm going to say it differently. A core portfolio isn't about getting lucky. It's about buying time. A diversified, long-term approach, often using broad, low-cost funds depending on access, is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth over years. But I want fast. Fast is how people donate money to the market. Slow is how people buy freedom. This is investing 2026 with maturity. Consistent contributions the key plus time. That is, allow time for it to compound and compound, then diversification will ensure you never go back to square zero. Real estate is still a major wealth builder, but the idea that you must own a rental property to benefit is outdated. In 2026, many people get exposure through REITs, real estate investment trusts, diversified real estate funds, partnerships with serious due diligence, or house hacking if it fits your life. So it's not no real estate, it's smart real estate. Exactly. Wealth building is picking the right tool, not copying somebody's highlight reel. Let's talk passive income, the real version. In 2026, one of the most underrated plays is a tiny digital asset, a template, a checklist of a short guide, a mini course, a paid newsletter with clear value. The key is, solve one painful problem for one specific group. Not everyone's problem, not anybody's problem, but a specific problem. So I don't need a huge audience? Exactly. You need trust and a solution. That's how you make money work for you online without becoming fake. Most people hear investing and only think stocks. But financial freedom often comes from owning cash-flowing businesses. Sometimes small, sometimes boring. Now, warning, business investing can be risky, but the principle is powerful. Ownership beats wages over time. Even if you don't buy a business, you can. Start a small service with systems, build it to run without you, then reinvest profits.
So the point is, build an asset that earns whether you show up or not.
Yes, that's make money work for you in real life. Here's a concept more people need in investing 2026. Stop asking, how do I get paid once? Start asking, how do I get paid repeatedly? That can look like licensing a photo, a beat, a design, subscription services, revenue share partnerships, affiliate systems only if you truly use and trust the product. So passive income is really repeatable income. Exactly. And repeatable income is the bridge to financial freedom. The final way to make money work for you in 2026 is the least exciting and the most respected by wealthy people. Protect what you build. Because one disaster can erase years of progress. Basic protection looks like avoiding high-interest consumer debt, having proper insurance where needed. Keeping accounts secure, building an emergency buffer, not investing money you can't afford to lose. Keeping accounts secure, building an emergency buffer, not investing money you can't afford to lose.
So wealth building is also not losing.
Exactly. The first rule of compounding is stay in the game. 1. Emergency Fund 2.2. Automate pay yourself first. 3. Capture free money. 4. Skill dividend. 5. Core portfolio. 6. Real estate exposure. 7. Tiny digital asset. 8. Business equity. 9. Royalty and repeat pay mindset. 10. Protect the machine. That's how you make money work for you in 2026. Not with hype, but with systems. That's wealth building. That's how passive income is actually created. Which one are you starting this week, 1 through 10? And if you're serious about investing 2026, share this with one friend who keeps saying, "I'll start next month." I'm picking number 1. My cash has been unemployed.
I'm picking number 2. I need automation, not motivation.
That's what we do on Wealth Empire TV. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.